welcome to day 7. And so, the end of the day project was to create a password generator, and these were the things which were given that there were letters, numbers, and symbols already given in the part of the code. And then these three lines of code was also given, like how many letters you want in your password, how many symbols you want, how many numbers you would like. And in the end, by using these two lines of code, like creating a function, creating a loop which will generate a password for us using these three random combinations, a password is generated. I did the easy level because I think the hard level has gone a bit out of my hand. So the easy level I used as simple as for number of letters in the integer. Like if somebody specifies they need 4 letters, then for those number of letters in the range of 1 to number of letters plus 1, like we need to take 5, then let the password be join. I use the join method of the function to pick up choices from the letters randomly, and the the limit of the choices would be how many number of letters we are inputting out there. So that's where this nr letters is going to, that's why we put nr letters over here. And I then duplicated this for numbers and for symbols, and in the end I used an f string for these letters password, nums password, and symbols password to be just a combination. Now when it comes to like by the end the result would be this, but when it comes to like generating an order of randomized sequence, like we want randomized numbers, letters, and symbols. I tried writing another code where I said that the final list will be a combination of all these. This created an error for me. Then uh, I tried to put it as a list, and then tried to join the list and try to also shuffle the list. But then I think this didn't work out. So we will see this part of the code later. So I'm just putting this in comments. So now let's just play this. Sorry, play. I mean, run this code and see the result. So welcome to the password generator. How many letters would you like in your password? I would want 5 letters in my password. I would want 2 symbols, and I would want 7. No, that's too much. 2 numbers. So you see, I have like 4 letters, sorry, 5 letters, 2 numbers, and 2 special characters. Now let's try it once again. I just want 2 letters in my password. I want 2 symbols, and I want 2 symbols and 4 numbers. So this is the final answer. If I want the order to be like this, I can just change the num and sim over here. But this is what I wrote. For the next part of the code, which I took ChatGPT's help, ChatGPT just asked, like, instead of putting all of these numbers and symbols and strings, why can't you just import string? So that's something new I didn't know. Then after importing string, these letters are ASCII letters, lower and higher, and numbers are digits, and symbols are all the symbols I specified in this string. So then it's pretty much the same for like inputting these. But for the next level, I think ChatGPT just joined the choices and put number of letters over here, and in the k part, like in the range part for choices, and similarly it did for the next 2 options, and in the end it just concatenated the 3 passwords. And for the hard level, it just took password and put it as a list, and then randomly shuffled the list, and then in the end joined all the strings, I mean all the different part of the strings in the hard password and print hard password. Let me show you how this works. I want three passwords, I want two symbols, and I want four numbers. So see, the first thing would just give you few letters, then numbers, and then symbols. But then this password, the hard password, is where it jumbles down the letters and symbols. And so that's it for day 7. I would be continuing my coding, and I hope you continue your coding as well. Have a great day and keep coding. Bye bye.